Hey everybody, this is Jamie from Helpertech. Say, we've had a fairly busy day in terms of iPad repairs, so I just wanted to stop real quick because again, this is about the third or fourth one of these we've gotten in the last few hours, iPad with a broken screen. And all of them that we've taken in today are all for students who are no longer in school. So the parents are rushing in, needing to get these iPads fixed quickly with the school closings so that their students can still get their homework done. So what we've decided to do at Helpertech for the next couple of weeks, if you have a device, whether it's a Chromebook, an iPad, any type of device that your student needs for school, if it needs a repair, bring it into Helpertech. We're going to give you a discounted rate and help you guys out. So again, if you need any type of repair, Chromebook, laptop, tablet, iMac, bring it in, mention this video, and we're going to give you guys a special rate on your repair to help you out. In addition to that, if you find yourself having to work from home and you currently don't have a laptop, a tablet, or a computer, you can come on down to Helpertech and we've got a wide variety of used devices at good prices. So you can see over here, we've got our iMacs. They range anywhere from as low as $135 up to $399 and every price point in between. So whether you need something to just get you by for now or you want to invest in something you're going to have a little more permanent, we got many options available. And they are moving quickly. Case in point over here, our laptop section. We had this filled going into the weekend. And as you can see, we've already had a lot of activity today. We got a price anywhere from $199 to $249 to $329. And again, people are snatching these up pretty quick, given the sudden need that they have for it. So if you find yourself in a position where you need to work from home, but you got no device to work on, we've got great refurbished options at low prices that can get you up and going. If you got any questions, 651-605-2570. Thank you.